Welcome back to Innoven Foods. Today we are making a quick, delicious and filling egg vegetable nashta. Soft paratha filled with a spice veggie egg mix, perfect for breakfast or an evening treat. Let's get started. In a bowl, add 1 cup of flour, half teaspoon salt, 1½ cup of water. Mix it well into a smooth runny batter. This recipe is a fusion of pancake, omelette and wrap, all in one. It's perfect for kids who don't like eating vegetables. Paratha batter instead of dough saves kneading time. Set it aside. Now for the filling. Take 2 eggs, add 2 tablespoons chopped onion, 2 tablespoons tomato, 2 tablespoons carrot, 2 tablespoons capsicum, 1 green chilli finely chopped, 1 tablespoon coriander leaves, ½ teaspoon salt, ½ teaspoon red chilli powder. Mix everything well. Chop vegetables finely so they cook quickly in the egg mix. Eggs provide high quality protein and essential nutrients. Vegetables add fiber and antioxidants. Grease a pan with a little oil. Pour the batter to form a thin layer. Fry both sides to make a soft paratha. Always cook the paratha batter on medium flame for even texture. Did you know this dish is inspired by street-style egg rolls? Set it aside. Now grease the pan again. Pour the egg and veggie mixture. Grease the pan lightly so the egg doesn't stick. Place the paratha on top. Using little oil keeps the snack light and heart-friendly. Let it cook on low heat for 2 minutes. Flip carefully. It's a balanced meal that keeps you full for hours. Fold as shown and fry both sides until golden and firm. Use a spatula to gently fold the nashta for a neat finish. Your egg vegetable nashta is ready to serve hot, crispy on the outside, soft and flavorful on the inside. Thanks for watching Innoven Foods. Join us again for more delicious homemade recipes. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more yummy ideas.